Today's video, best mini fridge with freezer for dorm.
Finding the best products can be very difficult, as the market comes with many types. We've, therefore, spent countless hours researching and testing most of the products available to help you. We've ranked these products based on many different factors, such as performance, quality, durability, and value for the money. And if you'd like to see their price and find out more information, check the product links in the description down below. Let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Best mini fridge with freezer for dorm.
Starting off our list, at number 5. These are our ratings for this product. At number 4. These are our ratings for this product. At number 3 in the list. Are our ratings for this product. our ratings for this product. At number 1.
Black Mini Refrigerator by RCA. This fridge is perfect for a small office, dorm room, kitchen, or playroom. The inside area of the fridge is generous, allowing you to organize your food and drinks. The thermostat control allows you to maintain your drinks and food at the ideal temperature. The reversible door and adjustable feet allow you to put this unit in any location.
And these are our ratings for this product.
Best mini fridge with freezer for dorm.
Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.